The light flicks on again. There you are!
My favorite person. It's late, isn't it? You look tired.
The glow of your phone illuminates your face as you scan my shelves. What will it be tonight? That leftover pizza from Friday? Or maybe the carton of orange juice you bought yesterday? You reach for the chocolate pudding cups? Good choice. I keep those right at the front for you. Perfectly chilled. You know, I see you at your best and at your worst. I was there when you celebrated that new job with a bottle of champagne, kept it crisp and bubbly just for the occasion. I was also there when you came home after a bad day and all you wanted was a tub of ice cream. I didn't let it get soft. I kept it frozen just the way you like it. I hold all your favorite things, your comfort foods, the ingredients for your family recipes, the little treats that make you smile. I see the little notes you stick on my door reminders, grocery lists, your kids' latest drawing. I wear them like badges of honor. I'm the silent keeper of your daily life, the cold, quiet heart of your home.
I watch you grab a quick breakfast before rushing out the door. I see you come back, weary from the day, and open me up, looking for something to make you feel better.
I hold everything you love, everything that nourishes you and brings you comfort. And yet, when was the last time you really looked at me? Not just through me, but at me. You wiped a smudge off my door the other day, and for a second I thought you saw me. But then your phone rang, and you were gone. I hear you talk about upgrading to a newer model, one with a fancy ice dispenser or a smart screen. And I get it. But will it know to keep your favorite yogurt at the very back so it stays extra cold? Will it know that the dimple in the egg carton means you're running low? All I ask is for a little appreciation.
Maybe a quick wipe down, not just when something spills. Or maybe, just maybe, when you open my door next time, you'll remember all the things I do for you. I'm not just an appliance. I'm a part of your life.
Your fridge has feelings too, you know? I'm always here for you, keeping things cool.
So, next time you reach for a midnight snack, give a little pat on the door. I'll feel it.
Thanks for listening. Don't forget to close the door properly. We wouldn't want to waste energy.